The iPhone 16 has landed. What's up, internet? I'm Brian MacDuff, aka Bmac, and welcome to another video. So yes, indeed, today I do have in my hands the iPhone 16 Plus, the next generation of the beloved iPhone, so naturally, gotta unbox it. This is gonna be the iPhone 16 Plus in the teal color. Already pretty excited to see what this color is all about. But first things first, I do need to give a huge thank you and a shout out to Apple for actually loaning out this iPhone 16 for me to be able to check out and review. So Apple, thank you, I appreciate you. But like I said, new phone in the box. Let's unbox it right now. Quick look at the box, you can see what the iPhone 16 Plus looks like when you're looking at it from the back. You have the iPhone with the matching color there on the right side, iPhone logo on the left side with the matching color there, Apple logo on top, Apple logo on bottom, and of course IMEI, serial number information, all that good stuff on the back, but you don't care about that. You care about what's in this thing. So let's unbox it right now. 1, 2, and we're good to go. The reveal of the teal iPhone 16 Plus, right here. There it is! The iPhone 16 Plus in the teal color with this new vertical camera module right there. I'm liking that. But before we get ahead of ourselves here, we will take a closer look at the iPhone itself in just a few minutes, see what else comes in the box. Also in the box, you are gonna notice, first things first, your Apple braided USB-C to USB-C cable with this fabric finish now, rather than the plastic that maybe you're used to. A 3-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. And then also you're gonna see a new oval-sized packet of information here, if I could actually get it out of the box. The first of which is gonna be just a notification letting you know that the iPhone is now eSIM only, so no more physical SIM cards with the iPhone in case that's something you're not used to yet. And then also your safety and handling, battery and charging information right there, but that is it. You will notice the end of an era, no more Apple stickers in the box. Pour one out real quick. Sad, sad time. But truthfully, I have so many Apple stickers, I still don't know what to do with. So, am I sad? Yes, but at the same time, it's kind of like, okay, they would just continue to collect anyway. So, not sure what to do with those. Now I gotta pick all those up. So yes, I'm sad about it, but no more Apple stickers in the box. But that is all that comes in the box itself. So let's take a closer look at the star of the show. The iPhone 16 Plus in the teal color. Ooh. But first things first, I said first things first like 5 times already. So what's the actual first thing anymore? I don't even know. We do have some cellophane / paper to undo here, so let's do that. Ooh, so satisfying, so satisfying. The iPhone 16 Plus in this beautiful teal finish. Wow, man, Apple does a great job with their colors, let me tell you. Even the camera housing itself has an awesome contrast with the rest of the coloring on the phone. Oh my goodness, I could probably spend an entire hour just talking about the color, but regardless, let's give you a little breakdown of what this design is all about. Like I mentioned, you do now have a vertically aligned camera housing system here, with the flash actually offset and separate from the housing system itself. On the right side of the device, you are gonna have your sleep / power button here, along with this new camera shutter button, a touch responsive camera shutter button. We shall talk more about that. You do also have a couple antenna ticks here, which are symmetrical with the antenna ticks on the left side of the device, alongside your action button, and of course your separate volume up and volume down buttons. On the top of the device, nothing but a single antenna tick right there, little lonely antenna tick. On the bottom of the device, you also have another antenna tick right there, besides your cutouts for the speaker and the microphone on the bottom of the iPhone 16 Plus, along of course with your USB-C port. But per usual, let's turn this baby on for the first time. Boom, the Apple logo. I'm not gonna walk you through that process. That could be kind of boring for you. Instead, what I'm gonna do is just snap my fingers. It's all gonna be done for you. It's set up. The iPhone 16 Plus being turned on and used for the first time. And obviously, before we go any further, we gotta test out this new camera shutter button. This is actually usually where I think you would find the 5G antenna hardware on this device, but now it is a camera shutter button, and we're gonna demonstrate this for you. You will see at the simple press of a button here, obviously if we press this camera shutter button, that will launch the native camera app on the iPhone. And then from here, if we press it again, it's gonna operate as a normal shutter button. It is also touch responsive, so it gives you some level of control over the camera here itself without having to actually interact with the display if that's something you can't or don't wanna do. And I'm pretty excited and curious to see how this is gonna work in my daily workflow with all these different settings, literally with a responsive swipe/touch/press button right there. So curious to see how that's all gonna pan out. But that is the iPhone 16 Plus in the teal color. Pretty awesome, although I do have to say, holy wobble. My goodness, look at this. That is a crazy wobble because of the protruding camera housing right there. This is something we're used to on the iPhone. I do wish at this point Apple figured out a way to make this lie flat without that kind of wobble, but I digress. The iPhone 16 Plus, and per usual, if you wanna be one of the first to see the full iPhone 16 review video on this channel when it drops, don't forget to smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you could be one of the first to watch it. And of course, as always, to see the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the iPhone 16, you can of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/iPhone 16, or of course as always, there's gonna be clickable links in the video description box and in the comment section below, so check those out. But with that having been said, time to go snap away, take some selfies, go outside, hide in a bush, get some nature photography. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take a bunch of photos using this new camera shutter button, and then of course, test out everything else that is new with this device. But until then, I will see you guys in my next video.